This is outgoing Senator Joe Donnelly.
So can the Democratic Party, your party, be viable without appealing to the interior of the country where you live and where you represent?
Boy, I don't know how you do that. I mean, I was fortunate enough. I got more votes in this midterm than any Democrat in Indiana in modern history. But it wasn't quite enough because the president came 3 times in about the last week, 6 times in about the last month and a half, and said, this is about him. And he said, if you don't vote, basically you're betraying me. And we have not made enough of a connection. I work like a dog nonstop to make that connection, but that the people of my state understand that culturally, we want to make sure you succeed, that we're going to fight to make sure that, for instance, on student loans, we'll keep the interest rate at the same rate as a housing loan. But when you talk Medicare for all, like I heard on the panel earlier, you start losing the people in my state. When we start talking about, hey, we're going to work together with the insurance companies to lower premiums, that's what connects. And so...
So wait a second.
All right, this guy definitely would lose to Trump.
Joe Donnelly would have us believe that what the constituents of Indiana want to hear is not that you're going to get low, like really low, if not no cost insurance that you're not going to have to deal with. What his constituents want is that you're going to work together with the insurance company. What we have just witnessed is Joe Donnelly's, if not, this is one of his calling cards that he's going to, he's going to take that interview and he's going to take the link and it's going to be attached to his resume as he applies for lobbying positions in some massive law firm in Washington, D.C. on health insurance.
That's exactly right.
He is literally going to sell himself as being the guy who is going to go to these 3 senators. I can't think of who they are off the top of my head, but there's 3 or 4 of them that he is going to tell that partner of the law firm, I can get you that one, and that one. And those are the guys I will work on in the Senate to prevent Medicare for all.